All right, welcome to Module 6. I just wanted to do a quick overview, and then I'll also break down some of the other assignments in here. For Module 6, we have a lot to do, so don't get bogged down. Just take it step by step. You have your readings and your module introduction, as well as your Google Slides right here, just like you always do. So make sure that on those Google Slides, you're using those notes if that's something that's helpful for you. Underneath this link right here for the Google Slides, there is a PDF that I've linked also in the presentation, but I've put it here also in case it doesn't work for some reason. So the next thing we have is your textiles quiz. For this, as well as the clothing symbols matching quiz, both of those things are going to come from that presentation. So really make sure that you're paying attention to that presentation and really taking away a lot from it, because there's a lot packed into there that you're going to be quizzed over in the textiles and clothing symbols matching quiz. So the next thing that we're looking at is the clothing quality assignment. So for this, you're going to see, is it good or bad, and why the price points maybe are where they are for clothes. So I'll go ahead and click on this. But first thing you want to make sure you do is review this PDF that's attached here. That's a presentation, and it needs to be done before you start the assignment. Our Burn Lab assessment. So for this Burn Lab, this is going to require you to create an account with something called PlayPosit. It's free. It's for educational purposes. I've linked the directions in a Google Doc as well as in a PDF and a Word document version. So you can access those however it best suits you. For this Burn Lab here, like I said, you will create a PlayPosit account right here. And then after creating your account, access the assignment here. This is the link. What's going to happen is this video will pause and ask you questions about the content. There are 5 questions. You'll have the opportunity to go back, but you will not be able to redo your answers. So really try to do it correctly the first time. Pay attention to the video. It's not very long. I won't drag you through it. And I'm sorry in advance for some of my silly comments in there. Here are just a few screenshots that I took during this. I did this on my iPhone. You can absolutely do it on a computer. But the big thing to note is you must click finish and exit before you're finished. This should be at 100%. Your score is automatically recorded into our class, but you can view it underneath Gradebook on this screenshot right here. Looks like this. So with that, go into PlayPosit, complete the Burn Lab, but you must come back to Blackboard to the submission box and type complete. This will let me know that you have gone in to PlayPosit and completed the assignment. So again, you'll click on Burn Lab plus assessment, type in complete once you've finished that in PlayPosit. So overall, we have a lot of things to take care of in Module 6. If you have any questions, just let me know. They are separated out, as far as due dates go, so just don't forget about something. I'll, of course, send my weekly announcements, but if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. Happy to help.